Uh-oh. Really not looking good for Pirate Software.
There's an update to the Pirate Software drama where an ex-roommate and co-worker exposed what Jason was really doing while working at Blizzard, and was actually Pirate's superior while QA testing on Diablo 3. Now
Oh, he DQA tested on D3? You didn't even need to interview an employee. I could have told you he wasn't doing anything.
Whenever I scream about how I had to work with Pirate Software and how he doesn't know shit about fuck, I mean I was directly ordered to deal with him for Diablo 3 testing in QA. I saw his PC screens since he sat in front of me. I had to assign, review, and redo his tasks.
Yeah, let me guess. He was assigned to the Wasps in Act 2, right? Yeah, bro, Thor fucked up. I love the game, but man, it was bad.